So I'm actually surprised at how often I get asked the question, doesn't a bank require an inspection if I'm buying a property? And the answer is no. A bank does not require an inspection when you're buying a property. At least no bank that I've ever worked with and no transaction I have ever been involved with. Now that's for residential property. For commercial property, inspections are required. But people get confused about an inspection versus an appraisal. So an appraiser, and maybe the confusion is with VA and FHA and RD loans, but an appraiser will go in and inspect the house, but it's not a building inspection. It's not looking for issues with the house. It's looking to make sure that what's here justifies purchase price, so the bank can know that if they purchase or help finance this house for these buyers, that if something goes awry, they've got an asset that is worth what they've lent on it. So that's the purpose of an appraisal. And yes, for VA, for FHA, there are certain parameters that must be met for that appraisal. So an appraiser may look at the well and look at how many gallons per minute that well pumps. An appraiser will look for certain things like, is there peeling paint, or the stairways have the proper railing and balusters. But it is not an inspection. A buyer has to do a home inspection of their own doing and with an inspector of their choosing. So I just wanted to clear that up because I'm always surprised when I get this question, and I'm just surprised that people are confused by it, but we do want to make sure we clear that up. Have a great day. I'm off to my next appointment.